Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Shaper. Today we are going to discuss about Angular ngSwitch directive. So let's start the topic. So ngSwitch is an Angular structural directive which allows us to add or remove DOM elements. It works in conjunction with ngSwitch case and ngSwitch default directive. It is similar to JavaScript switch statement. Okay, so in this tutorial we will look at the syntax of ngSwitch case and ngSwitch default. Okay, so let's start with the syntax. Okay, syntax will be like this. ngSwitch, so it will be some outer HTML element. Okay, then inside we will have some inner element. Okay, like this. Here inside it will be switch expression. This is the syntax. Okay, and in element we will have ngSwitch case equal to match expression. This is the syntax. Okay, we can have multiple switch case, and along with we can have one switch case default. If any of the above condition doesn't match, then it will work this line. Okay, like JavaScript switch. Okay, so that ngSwitch is bound to inner element which we must replace inside the container element. This is our container element. Okay, so here we use the asterisk symbol, that is required. If you don't use it, will throw error, that is must. So switch default is bound to one inner element which must place inside the container element. But like switch case, it doesn't have any expression. Like see here we are putting expression, we don't need any expression. And one more thing, you can place this ngSwitch default anywhere inside the container. Okay, it's not necessarily you can put it in bottom, you can put it in middle also. Okay, it will work. So some of important points of ngSwitch: you must place ngSwitch and then the default inside ngSwitch directive. Second point, Angular displays every element that matches switch expression. We can place one or more than one switch case default anywhere inside the container element. Okay, not necessarily at the bottom. Fourth point, if there are no matches, Angular displays all the elements which has ngSwitch default directive. Fifth point, the elements are not hidden but removed from DOM. Sixth, Angular uses loose equality check to compare switch case expression with ngSwitch expression. This means that empty string matches 0. Okay, last one, you can share the template between multiple ngSwitch case using ngTemplate outlet. Okay, let's have an example. Let's define its number. Have a defined component properties, number equal to 0, and here what we can do, we can use h1. We'll see how to use ngSwitch. Okay, can put a div. This is the container element, we can put it here, ngSwitch. Okay, equal to number. This is the property in the component. Okay, so inside this what we can do like this. ngSwitch case, we'll check tar ng switch case. So ngSwitch case equal to 1, this will print 1. Just copy here. ngSwitch case 2, it will be 2. If 3, it will be like 3, and one more what to put in the switch case default. The switch case, as it doesn't have any expression like this, what we can put message like this. This is default. Okay, let's see the output. So if you look at here, nothing is coming because so this is switch default, so only default is coming, right? Because we have made number property to 0. Let's if it make it so 1, 2 things will show. See, 1. So it's matching 1. If you match 2, it will match 2. One more thing, if we can move this default anywhere inside ngSwitch, this will be 5. See, it's coming. If I are putting here 0, see, we have moved the default part, it will work, no problem. Okay, and one more thing, if you have multiple default and nothing will condition satisfy, currently our number is 0 here component, so 2 default will come. Okay, so we can place anywhere any number of default in app component. Okay, so this is the basic things of ngSwitch directive. Okay, in my next tutorial I will explain about if directive. So till then, thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.